How to fix Bluetooth audio delay in Samsung Galaxy or any other Android devices. So if you want to fix the Bluetooth audio delay in Samsung or other Android devices, then first open up your settings, scroll down and go for Bluetooth and devices. So you need to turn off your Bluetooth and then again turn on your Bluetooth and connect to your Bluetooth device, and that might fix your problem. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, go back, scroll all the way down, tap on About Phone, and here you will have software information. Tap on software information, and then here you will have the build number, right? So you need to simply tap on the build number 7 times. So tap on the build number, and once you tap on that, your developer mode will turn on. So once your developer mode turns on, now you need to scroll all the way down and you will have developer option. Now you need to go for the system, and under system you will have developer options, right? Tap on developer options, and under developer options you need to scroll down. Here under the Bluetooth AVRCP version, you need to tap on that, and then you need to choose the version, which is 1.6, and set that. And now you need to try and again connect to your Bluetooth, and your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, you need to go for the Bluetooth audio bits per sample, and then you need to choose 16 bits. So if you have the system selection default, then you need to choose 16 bits, and once you've chosen, your problem will be fixed. And after that, you need to choose Bluetooth audio channel mode, and then you need to choose the stereo. And once you choose the stereo, you can tap on OK and then remove. And once you've done all of these settings, you need to simply restart your device. And once you restart your device, your problem will be fixed. And that's it. That's how you can fix your Bluetooth audio delay in Samsung or other Android devices. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.